From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, State College. I'm Stuart Dougherty here with my afternoon forecast shift for our last presentation of the semester. I'm going to pass it towards our favorite Madeline Zarkoski for the current conditions.
Thank you so much, Stuart. Right now we have a live look at the Beaver Stadium. It's currently 64 degrees and it's pretty cloudy and overcast. As you can see, those clouds above Beaver Stadium. And there's also rainy conditions today, as you can see the raindrops on the camera lens. The temperature and dew point are both 64 degrees today, so it's pretty humid, and the visibility is also 5 miles per hour, so there is some fog out there today. Taking a look at the temperatures, mid to upper 60s today, 64 in State College and 67 in Altoona, and the much higher temperatures are in the southeast. If we take a broader look, 70 in Harrisburg, 75 in Allentown, and a whopping 78 in Philadelphia. Now for a national look at the temperatures and radar, here's Chris Turnbull.
Thanks, Madeline. Looking at our national temperatures this afternoon, we have pretty chilly conditions in the northeast, with Boston coming in at 49 degrees. As we get further west into Bismarck, North Dakota, we're up into the 50s, 57. Billings, Montana, 62 degrees. And as we get into Los Angeles, 69 degrees. Now, looking at the eastern coast and the southeastern coast into the Gulf states, the temperatures are much warmer, into the 80s and upper 70s towards Corpus Christi, Texas. We do have a high pressure system offshore, which is keeping temperatures along the eastern seaboard a little bit warmer, and even into portions of eastern and southeastern PA into northern New Jersey. Looking at our satellite this afternoon, we do have precipitation covering much of the Commonwealth, with some steadier bands up towards northern portions of Pennsylvania, up towards Williamsport. We also do have some moderate bands farther south and west as well, near Pittsburgh, just south of Pittsburgh. And as we zoom out a little bit, we can see the storm system, which is stretching from as far south as Texas up into the Ohio River Valley, stretching all the way up into Boston, northern Vermont, and New Hampshire. This precipitation will be spreading throughout the state through the remainder of the afternoon and the evening hours. And I'll hand it over to Christopher Tate with the latest on the RPM model guidance.
Thanks, Chris, for that look at the radar. The precipitation will continue across the Commonwealth through the rest of the day today. Here's how the RPM computer model has things shaping up across the Commonwealth. Upper 60s to around the 70-degree mark for your afternoon high, according to this computer model here in State College, with rain becoming more widespread across the majority of the Commonwealth through the afternoon. And there could even be a line of thunderstorms that we'll have to keep an eye on. Most computer models are eyeing anywhere from about 3:30 to 7 or 8 o'clock tonight as the time you'll be most likeliest to see thunderstorms or hear rumbles of thunder during the rest of the day today. Once that cold front sweeps through, temperatures will fall back quite nicely into the low and mid 50s here in State College. Clouds will be on the decrease as we progress through the day on Friday, but we won't warm as much because we'll be bringing in a lot of air from the northwest. You can see the wind streamlines here indicating that we'll be bringing in cooler air from the Northwest Plateau and from Canada into central Pennsylvania. It's going to be a very brisk day, and it's going to be a much chillier day as clouds are on the decrease. Overnight Friday into Saturday, I'm not going to rule out the possibility that far northern PA and northeastern PA may see some novelty snowflakes here or there as temperatures fall back into the upper 30s for most of us. And then we'll start the day Saturday abundantly clear and much cooler than we've been, and a little bit cooler than is normal for this time of year. Now for a look at the extended computer model forecast, let's send things over to Stuart Dougherty.
Thank you, Christopher. As we go through the day on Saturday, it looks to be perfectly clear, but as we get into Saturday night into Sunday morning, we can see a couple showers roaming through northern Pennsylvania and into the Wilkes-Barre Scranton area on Sunday morning. For the rest of the state, clouds will build in as we start our new work week and finals with another round of rain coming through on the day on Monday. Now to Nick for the summary of what to expect today, tomorrow, and the next couple of days.
Thank you so much, Stuart. Looking at the temperature for today, we're going to be reaching a high of 69 degrees in the afternoon with some rain showers in the earlier parts of the afternoon that will transition into some thunderstorms. Some of those could be severe and bring very high winds to the area. Gusts could be much higher than what is currently listed here. But as for what's going on the rest of the day, 10 to 15 mile an hour winds to the southwest with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. What's going on overnight? Temperatures are going to drop 20 degrees down to 49, with some early thunderstorms that will transition into rain showers later in the evening. The wind will also hang around that same 10 to 15 mile an hour wind. They will change direction though, going from the southwest to the west and gusting to 25 miles an hour. In terms of what's going on tomorrow, those thunderstorms will finally depart, but they're going to leave behind some high winds. We're going to see a chance of rain on Friday, with 56 degrees being the high. Those high winds, again, will worsen. The wind will hang around 20 to 25 miles an hour to the west and gusts up to 35 miles an hour. So if you are going to bring an umbrella outside, please make sure you're holding on to it. In terms of what's going on for the next week, though, again, going to see those thunderstorms today and tomorrow tapering off and leaving rain and high winds. For Saturday, we're going to see sunny skies with wind and showers in the afternoon. In terms of what's going on for Sunday, temperatures are going to be a little bit warmer, some sun with some clouds coming around in the afternoon. For Monday, we're going to see rain returning to the area as a new system pushes through, and we're going to get our highest temperature of the next 7 days at 75 degrees, dropping to 59 in the evening. For Tuesday, rain will continue. That same temperature feel will be 70 degrees. Again, very spring-like, but still with rain. As for Wednesday, a chance of showers, but otherwise mostly cloudy skies throughout the day, high of 66 and a low of 56.
Thank you very much, Nick, for that look at the 7-day forecast. I do wish we could have a little bit more sunshine to kick off finals week, but we've been so dry here in Pennsylvania, I think we will take it. That does bring us to the end of this video and the end of the Thursday afternoon communication shift. It's been a real treat to lead this group of fine young broadcasters, and I wish all of you great success in finals week. Have a safe summer, and I'll look forward to seeing all of you next semester. So long, everybody.